Have you ever wondered how our brains comprehend logic and reasoning? It's a complex process, but the key player in this cognitive ballet is a part of our brain known as the neocortex. The neocortex, the outer layer of the cerebral hemispheres, is involved in higher cognitive functions. It's like the brain's command center for reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. By integrating information from different sensory inputs and higher-order brain regions, the neocortex forms abstract representations of the world, enabling us to think logically. Another fascinating role the neocortex plays is in pattern recognition. It sifts through the constant stream of sensory input, identifying relationships between different pieces of information. This ability to infer logical connections based on recognized patterns is critical to our reasoning process. Then there's working memory, that mental scratch pad where we temporarily hold and manipulate information. Here too, the neocortex plays a pivotal role. It enables us to keep multiple pieces of information in mind at once, analyze their relationships, and apply logical rules to arrive at conclusions. Language processing, a complex task requiring logical analysis and interpretation, also falls under the purview of the neocortex. Specific areas, particularly in the left hemisphere, are specialized for this task. They help us decipher syntax, semantics, and pragmatics, the essential elements of language comprehension. Our neocortex also oversees executive functions. These are the cognitive processes that allow us to plan, organize, and inhibit responses. These functions are crucial for logical reasoning, as they enable us to structure our thoughts, set goals, and follow logical sequences of actions. But the neocortex isn't just a static processing unit, it's highly plastic, meaning it can reorganize and adapt in response to experience and learning. Through repeated exposure to logical tasks and feedback on performance, the neocortex can refine its circuits and improve logical reasoning abilities over time. In a nutshell, the neocortex is the brain's maestro, orchestrating our understanding of logic by integrating sensory information, recognizing patterns, maintaining working memory, processing language, executing cognitive functions, and adapting through learning. Its complex neural circuits enable us to engage in logical thinking and make sense of the world around us. So the next time you solve a puzzle, make a decision, or even hold a conversation, remember the neocortex, the unsung hero of your cognitive processes.